Hi friends, I am Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime keyboard shortcuts. Before getting to the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Tally Prime application we can easily operate by using keyboard shortcuts. Most of the keys is visible in Tally Prime application itself. We are going to see Tally Prime hidden keys. Tally Prime hidden keys we are going to split into three parts. First one is basic keys, which is already covered in earlier session. For your reference, link is given in I button as well as description box. Next, Tally Prime hidden keys, which is used in masters and transaction. These details also covered in last session. Hence, we are giving link in I button as well as description box for your reference. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime hidden keys in reports. Now let's see Tally Prime report hidden keys. In Tally Prime application, we are already selected company. We are in Gateway of Tally screen. Here we are going to click on Daybook. In this screen, we can able to see only one transaction displaying on that particular date. If you want to see that previous date transaction, by pressing F2, we can able to change the date and see that previous transaction. Instead of that, we can click on minus sign for see that previous date transaction. Similarly, if you want to see the next date transaction, click on plus sign in the keyboard. If you want to see all transaction in Daybook till date, you need to click on F2 and click on spacebar. Click on enter button. You can able to see that till date how many transactions you posted, all the transaction will be listed in the screen. If you want to filter particular voucher type, right hand side button bar, we can able to see F4 voucher type filter. In this screen, we can able to see all the voucher type listing here. We have to select manually and filter that particular voucher register. We are going to select payment register. As on particular period, we can able to see only 7 transaction is there. If you want to insert any transaction, you need to click on Alt I. Here you can able to see the payment transaction number 2. Here we are posting one transaction for computer maintenance, rupees 1800. Once posted transaction, the voucher number is rearranged. 2 become 3, 3 become 4, 4 become 5 and so on. If you want to add next voucher after 3, you have to click on shortcut key Alt A. Now the payment voucher number is 4. We are going to post one more transaction. Once again selecting computer maintenance charges. Amount is 2750. In the payment register now number of transaction is 9. Next voucher number is rearranged automatically. If you want to select any particular transaction, click on spacebar. If you want to select the next transaction one by one, you need to click on shift down arrow. Click on shift up arrow for deselect selected transaction. If you want to select all transaction, you need to click on control spacebar. For deselect selected transaction, click on control spacebar again. For duplicate any transaction, click on Alt 2. Here we are duplicating that payment transaction number 2. Transaction date is 7th May. In this register, we can able to see that the payment transaction saved in voucher number 7. If you want to cancel the transaction, click on Alt X. Here we can able to see transaction number is same, but its transaction status is cancelled. There is no value in this transaction. If you want to delete this transaction permanently, click on Alt D. Before click on this key, you need to make sure there is no undo or restore option for those deleted information. Click on Ctrl R for hide that transaction or line item. Register you can see voucher number 6 is removed or hidden. If you want to restore, click on Ctrl U. Same Ctrl R button we can able to use in the report level also. Click on Ctrl U for restore those sets. Click on Shift Enter for detailed view of particular transaction. Once again click on Shift Enter for collapse those detailed view. Click on Alt F5 for detailed view of all transaction. Click on same key for collapse those detailed view. Click on page down button to move last line item of the report. Click on Home to move top line item in the report. Click on Ctrl Shift End for select from top. Click on Ctrl Shift Home for deselected for selected line item. Ctrl Shift Home for select from bottom. For deselect, click on Ctrl Shift End. Ctrl Enter, getting into alteration screen of that particular head. Click on Ctrl Alt I for invert selection of line items in any report. These are the Tally Prime hidden keys used in reports. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.